Hello, in this video I shall be discussing about the location of Argentina. So Argentina is a country in South America. The name of Argentina is derived from a Latin word called argentum. So argentum is the name of silver. So as Argentina has got lots of silver reserves in the country, this is named as Argentina. The capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. It is present in the southern part of South America. It got its independence in the year 1816 from the British, and prior to British, the Spanish ruled Argentina for around 300 years, and from 1806 to 1816 the British ruled and finally gave it independence. It is the 8th largest country in the world and 2nd largest country in all of South America. The population in the whole world scenario is around 2/3 of the world population that is present in Argentina, and this has got a rough 85% of global GDP, and this has got a hold of 75% global trade. So this is a huge business center, as it has 75% of global trade. And the countries that are bordering, I've given a list. They are Chile, Bolivia, Paraguay, Brazil, Uruguay, and it has got also the eastern coast on towards the Atlantic Ocean, and there are Andes mountain ranges and plains called Chaco lowland plains, and Pampas grasslands are present, and a plateau called Patagonia Plateau. So we shall see all of this while giving a rough outline for the country. Tropic of Capricorn passes through Argentina, and there are two ocean currents towards the eastern coast of Argentina. They are warm Brazil current and cold Falkland current. And there is a passage called Drake Passage in the south of Argentina that is separating, or that passage is separating Antarctica from the South America. We shall see that. And this passage is a narrow water passage that is connecting Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. We shall see that also. And there is a very famous trade agreement which is very famous throughout the world, that is Mercosur agreement. Mercosur trade agreement is signed by 4 South American countries. We shall see them. And this Mercosur trade agreement is a huge contributor to world trade. And Falkland Islands are present on towards the eastern coast of Argentina, and these are presently ruled by the British, but they are claimed by this Argentina, that they belong to Argentina, but right now they are under the British. We shall see the outline of Argentina basically and where it is located. So if we consider this as the southern part of South America, Argentina is present here. So this is Argentina. Now we shall see it in a huge way, and bordering countries and what all we discussed right now. So if we can consider this as Argentina, this would somewhat look like this. So if this is Argentina, we'll see the bordering countries first. On its west it has got Chile. So Chile is present towards the western coast, western part of Argentina. So this is Chile and this is Argentina. And the other countries are Bolivia and Paraguay. Bolivia and Paraguay are present in the northern part of Argentina, north bordering countries. So this is Bolivia and this is Paraguay. So after Bolivia and Paraguay, both of these countries are on the north. We have Brazil and Uruguay on the east, so on the eastern coast. So Brazil is a huge country, the 1st largest country in South America, and Argentina is the 2nd largest. So this extends further north, and the border is over here. So this is Brazil. So Brazil is on the eastern coast, and there is a small country called Uruguay here. So these are the bordering countries: Chile on the west, Bolivia, Paraguay on the north, Brazil and Uruguay on the east. And there is Atlantic Ocean over here. So this is the border of Atlantic Ocean. So this is the eastern coast of South America, and over here there is Atlantic Ocean. So these are the bordering countries. Now we shall go interior to Argentina. As we have told, there are Andes mountains. Andes Mountains are present over here on the western side of Argentina. So these are Andes Mountains. So on the western side all over here, these are huge mountain ranges. And later we have Chaco lowland plains. So Chaco lowland plains are present in the northern part of Argentina. So here over here we have Chaco lowland plains. So these are plains. And in the central part of Argentina, there are some grasslands called pampas. So pampas grasslands are present over here. So these are pampas grasslands. And there is a plateau called Patagonia Plateau. This Patagonia Plateau is present southern part of Argentina. So here there is Patagonia Plateau. So Chaco's plains, Pampas grasslands, and Patagonia Plateau, Andes mountain ranges. So these are all the important major landforms present. So Chaco's plains are present on the northern side of Argentina. Pampas grasslands are present on the central part of Argentina, and Patagonia Plateau is present on the southern part of Argentina. Andes mountains are present on the western side of Argentina. So these huge diverse landforms are present in Argentina. And as I have told, Tropic of Capricorn passes through Argentina. So this passes through the northern border of Argentina. So this is the northern part of Argentina. So through this Tropic of Capricorn passes. And later, as I have told, there is a passage called Drake Passage. So this is Drake Passage. So this Drake Passage is a narrow water passage that is connecting Atlantic Ocean with Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean is present over here. So it is bordering Chile. This is Pacific Ocean. So this Drake Passage is connecting Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. So this Drake Passage is on the southern part, immediate south to Argentina. And this Drake Passage is also separating Argentina with Antarctica. So Antarctica is present over here. So this is Antarctica. So this is South America. So South America and Antarctica are separated by a passage called Drake Passage, and this narrow water body or narrow passage is also connecting Atlantic Ocean on the east and Pacific Ocean on the west. So this is how Argentina is located, and these are the things in Argentina. And Mercosur trade agreement is in between 4 countries. They are Argentina, Paraguay, Uruguay and Brazil. So here we have already covered where Paraguay is present, where Uruguay is present. So Paraguay, Uruguay, Argentina and Brazil. So these 4 countries have together come to this trade agreement of Mercosur, which is a very important trade agreement. Earlier Venezuela used to be a part of it, but it is not presently there now. And Falkland Islands are present over here. In the Atlantic Ocean on the eastern coast of Argentina, there are certain islands called Falkland Islands. They are presently ruled by the UK or the British, but they are being claimed by Argentina also. So Falkland Islands are present in Atlantic Ocean. So this is the basic view or rough map of Argentina, and thank you.